In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looping by Zapier. It's a fantastic tool that can help automate repetitive tasks, making your workflow much more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Zapier's website, a platform designed for automating workflows between different applications, making it easier to set up your automation, also known as Zaps. You can access their site by typing zapier.com into your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to look for the Login option. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page, making it easy to spot. Click on Login and enter your credentials to proceed. If you're not logged in yet, this step is crucial as it grants access to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, after successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the Zapier homepage. This is your main hub where you can see and manage your existing Zaps and, of course, create new ones. It's neatly organized for easy navigation. Look for the Zaps section. This is where you can view all the Zaps you've created. Here, you'll need to find and click on Create. This action initiates the process of building a new workflow and is an exciting step towards lessening your daily workload. Once you've clicked Create, a new window will appear, offering various options. It's in this window that you'll really start crafting your automation. Now, look for an option called Add Steps. Clicking it allows you to expand your automation, adding actions that streamline your processes. Here's where the looping comes into play. Literally. Search for looping in the search bar. The looping function is a powerful feature within Zapier that lets you repeat a sequence of steps until a specific condition is met. It's particularly useful when you need to process a list of items one by one, ensuring all tasks are completed efficiently. When you see Looping by Zapier in the options, go ahead and click on it. This will add the looping step to your automation, allowing you to configure it further according to your specific needs, such as setting conditions for when the loop starts and ends, or specifying the actions you want to repeat. And there you have it. You've learned how to utilize Looping by Zapier to enhance your workflows. By automating repetitive tasks, you provide yourself more time to focus on what truly matters. Always remember to double-check your Zap for any errors and test it to ensure everything runs smoothly. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps you achieve greater productivity in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!